Alright guys, now I'm going to give you a walk around at my 2013 BMW E92 335i with the M Sport package. Being in 2013, this is the LCI, as you can see with the headlights and the front bumper. I have, the modifications I've done to the car is I have the black kidney grills from ECS Tuning. They were like 200 bucks, something like that, super cheap. Then I have this front lip, just painted black, super cheap because I'll break a carbon fiber one. They're like $500. I don't want to spend that much money on them. The car is on my dream wheels. They're Apex ARC8s, 19-inch, 19 by 9 in the front, 19 by 9.5 in the rear. The car is lowered on ST coilovers. They're made by KW. They handle great. Car looks good, doesn't rub. It's perfect. The coilovers were put in by SSR Performance, Orange County, California. I definitely recommend them. Super cool guys, and do work with them in the future. Going to the rear, the car does have a carbon fiber high kick spoiler. Looks aggressive, looks good, it's just super smooth. The car is on a dual exhaust, well, it's factory dual exhaust, but it's an Axleback, pretty much a muffler delete. Got the quad 4-inch tips on the rear. The car is Alpine white, as you guys can see. Looks really good. I love this color. I wanted this car for a long time, and especially in this color. The roof is wrapped black. It's a gloss black done by SC Auto Styling down in Santa Barbara, California. Definitely recommend him, Spencer. You're the best, brother. He did a great job on it. Also did the mirror caps, as you can see. Super good job. He killed it. But yeah, so this is the 335i, and in the next clip, I'll tell you guys the future of this car and what I kind of want to bring to the channel revolving my BMW E92. Well, today marks the end of an era for this channel. What is going on, everyone? My name is Ricky. This is the Life of Ricky YouTube channel, where this BMW behind me started it all. This is my 2013 BMW 335i, and I seriously have done everything to this car I could. Obviously it's on stock wheels right now, but this thing was fully modified and it's pretty much completely back to its stock form. Other than the carbon front lip, the grills, and some little accessories on the car, it's pretty much stock. So unfortunately, this is the last drive, the end of the 335i. I know this is kind of a sad video, because it is a sad video, but I just want to seriously thank everyone. This car really started off for me. If you want to go watch the first video on my YouTube channel, it was like a year ago. It's down the bottom. It's really, you can't miss it. It's down the very first video. It was a very cringe video, but like, all you guys pretty much came from this car. I know some of you guys came from the M3 back there, but a lot of you guys are my 335i supporters, and I'm gonna be back. Don't worry, I've expressed that I'm gonna be back. And let's just say, it's not gonna be an M2. It's not even gonna be an M car. It's gonna be a series, like, I can't say the 3 series, 1 series, 2 series, 4 series. It's gonna be a series car, but it's not gonna be an M car. I already have my M car there. I wanna get back into the 35 gang, if you know what I'm saying. So for the last video on the 335i, you know what, actually, maybe not, because it's gonna be a local person that's buying this car, and I'm gonna ask if I can keep in touch with him and like, still see the car, which would be really cool, and maybe see what he's gonna do to it, and see where this platform goes, this Pacific platform, my 335i, and just see where it goes. But first, I gotta clean it. Like, it's filthy. Check this out. This is all ash from the California fires. No, it is not snow where I live. That is not snow, that is ash. I gotta wash the car. It's pretty dirty inside. It's been my daily, so it's pretty dirty. So right now, I'm pretty much just gonna wash it all. I gotta clear the trunk, just prep it to be sold, and then we are gonna go head out for our last drive in the 335. Just cleaning stuff out. Look what I found. This is, if it'll focus, this is the first tripod I ever used. Now I obviously use a real camera now, but I used to use my phone. Watch, hold on 1 second, check this out. Look at this, this is how I used to film all my videos for like the first 10 videos. Isn't that crazy? I just thought I'd share that. Alright, back to cleaning the car. Engine's pretty clean, just started it up. Sounds good. Interior is spotless. Just cleaned everything in the interior. Man, am I gonna regret this? or not. Sell this. Operation make that thing a full-on race car. That's what the plan is right now. So yeah, everything is clean. I'm gonna wait to do the exterior tomorrow. The car is sitting here for the night. I'm actually gonna go get it smogged tomorrow morning and do the last drive tomorrow morning. So I will see you guys in the morning. And we're back 2 days later instead of 1 day later. Got the car smogged yesterday, got it washed. It's wet because of the, you know, at night it's wet outside, but it looks clean. It's fully cleared out. I got some of the stock parts back here, diffuser and all this stuff in here, grills. But we are meeting the new buyer. I guess he could still back out, but the new buyer at the bank in about an hour and a half. And then, so I'm gonna take you guys with me on the last drive to the bank, ever in this car, and then saying goodbye to it, because I wanna get that on camera. So I will see you guys, I guess in a second. I don't really know. But on a side note, the GT4 front lip on the M3 looks so good. Video just went live. I'll link it in the description. Check it out. It was a pretty cool video. Check it out. Alright, about to head out. One last cold start in the 335i. One last cold start. Let's get it. Decision? I don't know. Alright, last drive. Look how clean this thing is. I cleaned it hella nice. Last drive. You know, by going from this to an M3, this is actually so boring to drive. That is stock. Don't hose me in the comments and saying, oh, well, you can make more power than the 335 than your M3. I'm just saying, stock for stock and driving like experience. This is really, really boring. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. All right, pulling up to the final light. The 335i, yes. I mean, he still could back out, but we'll see, I don't know. Yeah, pulling up right now. Damn, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in a couple days. Whew. That's it. Oh my God. Peace out, car. Peace out. That's it. Bye. Oh, it doesn't scrape. Damn. Whew. On to bigger and better things, boys. Bigger and better things. Alright, you guys, we are back in my garage at my house. The M3 is outside. What's that? It's really windy outside. But I just want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who supports me on this channel. It's not going anywhere. We are just getting started, you guys. Please, if you haven't already, go down there, subscribe. I just want to say thank you, seriously, so much for all your support, especially on the 335i build. My views, my channel is definitely down like 20% the last like 2 months, just because of the M3 content. And you know what? We gotta realize, guys, like in life, like who cares? Like, I'm doing my M3 and that's what I enjoy to do, and I'm gonna film it and I'm gonna put it on YouTube and try to bring in like fun and informational videos out to the public, to you guys. And if my views aren't as high as my 335i views, I don't care. Do what makes you happy, guys. Don't do something to make someone else happy in life. The M3 makes me happy. That's what I'm gonna focus on right now. And if some of you guys don't like it, I'm sorry. You guys can unsubscribe, but always remember to do what makes you guys happy. Don't do things to make other people happy. Think about yourself first. I know that sounds kind of selfish, but you gotta make yourself happy before you can make others happy. That's just how I view it. So if my channel's down right now, is what it is. I'm gonna keep making content. I'm gonna keep filming bangers on my M3. That car is gonna be literally a street legal race car. Like, we're just getting started on that build. There is gonna be another N55 coming to the channel. I kinda wanna say what it is. If you made it this late in the video, I wanna get a 135. I wanna get a 135 6-speed manual with the N55 in it. I know it's rare, but that's my goal. That's really what I want to get. So I know a lot of you guys probably clicked off the video already. So if you're still here, giveaway announcement right now. The giveaway announcement. Do I have my phone on me? I don't, it's upstairs, whatever. The giveaway winner is N55.cam. It's on the screen right here, N55.cam. You just won $100 to Rush Custom, so DM me. DM me if you're watching this. I'll probably DM you as well, obviously. So you won, bro. Congratulations to everyone that entered the giveaway. I'm seriously one of the only YouTubers that gives away $100 for 5,000 subscribers. I don't know any other YouTuber does that, so see, I love you guys. You guys are like my family. I get so much support from you guys. But just like that, picking up the vlog camera, I will see you guys in a future video with the 135 and the M3, obviously. We're still uploading weekly. I have a cool video planned for next week too, so I love all you guys. Please, make yourself happy. Do that, like make yourself happy. Inner peace, inner happiness is like what drives you. You know, if you ain't happy, you ain't happy. It's not good for your health. So, as always, don't forget to subscribe down below. Like the video, turn on post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Congratulations, N55 Cam. I love all you guys. Peace out.